Hey guys, we're back with another video of Dolls. We thought this game, we really like it, so we thought we'd do another one.
Yeah. And we've just got a new elevator.
Literally. So, I'll do the key, you just stand by the door, yeah?
Okay. I still trust.
Wait, we can buy a lighter from the start.
Oh.
Now I want to look for it, that's the fun of the game, I want to look for it.
What is this find though?
I don't know, but I want to find my lighter.
It didn't open. Yeah,
I'll get the key on the wall. Anything.
What goes start with? Why are two elevators? 3 elevators.
Maybe other people didn't make it.
Alright, I'm checking all of these for lighters.
So, guys, we learned. So, like, if the lights are flickering, get in a cabinet like that.
And only one person can get in.
Yeah. We still haven't learned the whole game yet, and we found out what that monster that gives you weird adrenaline is called.
Yeah.
I think, like Seek. How's it?
Lights flicker. Be careful because there's spiders could be in these.
Nah, they don't do. Surely they're not that bad.
I learned that the hard way.
Yeah. I don't know if we oh no, I don't think we got that bit on record, did we?
No, I don't think so. Because we're trying to get back to where we was. But I think the levels are moving because this is level 6, the door 6, and we're already in a room like this.
This is really weird. There's a door there.
This has one closet in. Caveman clothes. The sack van blurring.
I found a lighter.
Oh, is there another?
No. You stole my gold bars, you ding dong.
Sorry. I was just trying to look for a lighter. You don't want to waste all of it.
Yeah, I know. I've unequipped it for now.
Bit of a panic if it didn't have fuel.
Yeah, it's got like 3/4. I hear weird noises.
The monster's going to be in there. Get the lights out. Just get to the door. Just walk forward. Get to the door.
The light is nearly run out. Do I need to get in a cabinet?
Something came from the ceiling and attacked me.
Close. Dang it.
It's like a black spider came from the ceiling but with a white face. He attacked me. He went...
Key?
Right, I got attacked by a...
I got it. I've got the key. I've got the key.
I got attacked by a black spider.
Creepy. Light is nearly dead, by the way.
Oh.
Lighters die so quickly.
Oh, get a closet. I don't know.
I'm dead.
No.
You told me too late. Guys, we're going to pause the recording. Right, see you guys.
Are you unpausing it?
Hey guys, we're back after pausing it. I've got like a little bit of a gamer snack.
Yeah. Rush killed Ollie.
No, I think it was the other one.
No, I think it was Rush.
Oh yeah, it was. Okay.
Because you could hear it. Ambush, you can't hear. I think it's just the lights flickering.
I haven't died to anything else yet.
I've only died to two things, rush and ambush.
Yeah, same.
Oh, you could, wait, there, you could get a flashlight. You could get a lighter and a flashlight.
I'm not gonna get any of them.
What? It says you can buy a lockpick.
Oh, you can use that to pick the locks.
Oh yes, you don't have to find the keys.
Can you imagine how poggers? Nah.
I wish you could like pick stuff up, like actually move stuff.
Yeah, like move the closets.
Yeah, or jump.
Nah, jumping would ruin the game.
How?
Because like everyone's gonna be spam jumping and you can't even see what's in front of you.
Oh, it doesn't.
Did you just say you found a lighter? Sorry, you cut off. Oh my god. I'm going to recall him, but on mobile. Yeah, did you say you found a lighter? Sorry, you cut off.
Yeah.
Okay.
Be careful with ceilings. A spider could attack you apparently.
Yeah, you've been attacked by 2 spiders now. I think it was here where, like, exactly where I am now, where you got attacked by your first one.
No, I thought it was there.
Got coins.
I can't hear anything, so that's going to be bad. This game also relies on hearing.
Yeah.
I'm at a disadvantage because I can't hear. Why you come back through rooms?
Sorry, mate. There's a door there.
Yeah. I think it's why it has numbers on it.
Well, there's door 10.
There's a door up here, I think. There's something up here. There's 2 random doors. Oh wait, this door's broke. I can't go up.
I think we have to go through the numbered doors anyway.
Well, I don't trust this. Oh, light stripper in. Stop.
I don't like it. I died.
Oh, I can't eat. I couldn't even hear.
That one scared the crap out of me, I'm not gonna lie.
Right. Yeah, it's a rush. The lights flickered, but it stops. So I thought, oh, it ain't gonna be fun. It's gonna be fun. It only flickered for like a second.
Next time it flickers, I will literally just go in a closet.
Yeah, or on the bed. No, I actually need to be able to hear.
That's weird.
I can't hear. That's bad.
Yeah, turn your volume on.
Oh, I can hear again. I just needed to die to hear.
You can buy vitamins, bruv. I don't need my 5 of a day.
Wait, that will probably restore your health.
Ugh.
I'm also gonna press this button. I think it opens fast, so you don't have to wait. Alright, are you getting a key or am I?
You.
Wait.
Yeah?
Oh, I thought I found a lighter. There's like drawers in there. There still can be drawers here. Right, I can hear it then, so this should be good.
I'm always going to walk on the side near closets.
Wait. Oh, I thought I heard it at rush or ambush.
Even if we wanted to last time, I don't think we could have survived because there was only... Well, there weren't even a closet in the room we was in.
Oh, there's a bed. Oh, flashlight!
Let me take that. Wait, put it back or press backspace or something.
I can't drop it now.
Oh.
It has half battery.
That's weird.
Right, follow me. Where's the lever?
That's useful. Yeah, the room's changed because door 9 was weird last time. And there's a drawer here.
Well, if a thing comes, only one of us will live.
Lever.
Door.
This is where we found the lever.
We're here on it. Found it.
Pull it.
Pull it up. This flashlight's about to run out.
Lights flickering, we're dead.
I'm in the closet.
Nah, I was dead. I couldn't find a closet.
Wait, are you dead?
Yep.
Okay, I'll die as well then. Wait, something's happened. When I stayed in the closet, something happened.
Yeah. Rush dashed by and killed everyone.
No, I stayed in the closet and a monster attacked me.
Yeah, that's what happens if you stay in the closet.
I'll just leave and rejoin. It's faster.
Yeah. The recording pause, so... Can't believe Liverpool lost to United.
Yeah.
Was your dad mad?
Yeah. So we should have won that.
What, the match?
Yeah.
You shouldn't have, because United had more shots and more possession.
Is the video paused?
Oh yeah, it is. Yeah, but honestly, United deserved it, to be fair.
To be honest, I didn't watch it.
United deserved it, because they had more possession.
I could buy it. I'm kind of tempted to buy a flashlight.
The flashlight's worse than the lighter.
How though? It's 100 to buy and 50 to buy the lighter.
No, but they're literally the same thing.
Yeah, I prefer the lighter.
I prefer the lighter, it's more satisfying. Shall I unpause the recording? We've got 4 minutes left on the recording.
The lighter's scary to use.
It's scary to use, but I still like it.
What I played it once, and I was watching someone. The lighter was about to run out, and he had to keep flicking it, and then he got attacked in the dark.
Bruh.
You gotta be careful of that.